In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square payments to WordPress. We'll walk through a clean, plugin-based setup so you can start accepting payments without writing any code. This method is perfect if you need simple payment forms or donations rather than a full online store. First, head into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, open Plugins and choose Add New. In the search bar, look for a plugin that integrates directly with Square. Two popular options are WP Easy Pay, which is great for straightforward payment buttons and forms, and MyPayKit payment forms for Square, which offers a flexible form-based approach. Pick the one that matches your needs, click Install, and then Activate. That puts the tools in your site so you can build a payment form quickly. Next, connect the plugin to your Square account. Most plugins use a secure authorization process that briefly takes you to Square to sign in and grant access. You'll see a confirmation when the connection is successful. This link ensures your payments are processed safely and tracked in your Square dashboard. If your site has multiple environments, make sure you're linking to the correct Square location so the right business profile is used. Now configure the form inside the plugin. You'll typically choose your currency, define what you're selling or collecting funds for, and set pricing and any optional fields. You can also adjust things like button text, success messages, and whether to collect additional details from the payer. Keep the form focused. Fewer fields often mean higher completion rates, but include anything you absolutely need for your records. With the form ready, add it to a page or post. Most plugins give you a Gutenberg block you can insert and customize right in the editor. If you prefer, you can paste a shortcode into any content area, and the plugin will render the payment form on the front end. Preview the page to confirm the layout looks good on desktop and mobile. When you're happy, publish or update the page to make it live. This plugin approach shines when you simply want to take payments or donations without setting up product catalogs, carts, or shipping. If you later outgrow this and want a full e-commerce experience, you can always migrate to a store plugin that supports Square. For now, this streamlined setup gets money flowing quickly, keeps things user-friendly, and lets you manage transactions directly in your Square account. That's all you need to accept Square payments on your WordPress site with a clean, code-free workflow.